Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Etsy affiliate marketing tools for handmade niche content step by step clearly. To install Etsy affiliate marketing tools for handmade niche content, start by navigating to the Etsy affiliate program page. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal details and accept the terms and conditions. Once registered, log in to your account. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Locate the Tools section in the main menu. Choose the Affiliate Links option to generate unique links. Select the handmade products relevant to your niche. Copy the generated affiliate link for each product. Alternatively, use the search bar to find specific items that match your content. You can also browse categories to discover trending handmade goods. Next, consider using banners to promote Etsy products. Navigate to the Banners section and select a design that fits your brand. Copy the HTML code provided for the banner you like. Now, open your website or blog where you'd like to promote Etsy products. Paste the banner code into the appropriate section of your site. Adjust the placement and sizing as needed to fit your layout. For optimal visibility, consider placing the links and banners in high-traffic areas of your site. If you're using social media, use your unique affiliate links in your posts. Create engaging content around the products to draw in your audience. Consistently track your performance through the reporting tools available on the affiliate dashboard. Analyze which products drive the most clicks and sales. Continuously update your content with fresh affiliate links to keep it relevant. Engage with your audience and encourage them to explore the handmade items you recommend. Finally, stay informed about Etsy's affiliate program updates to optimize your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.